The bowline on a bight is a midline knot. You can use it to make a pair of fixed size loops in the middle of a rope. It has the same advantage as the regular bowline. It doesn't jam up after being loaded. Be careful, if you use only one loop, there is a chance that the knot starts slipping. If you want just a single loop, I highly recommend you use a proven alpine butterfly knot or the 8 knot. You can also make an emergency bolster chair from the bowline on a bight. Unless you're in a real emergency situation, do not use it with an additional backup tie-in. First we show you in a short clip how to tie the bowline on a bight. If that's not clear right away, then we have some step-by-step pictures on how to tie the bowline on a bight. Oh, before I forget, please tap that like button as a thank you. Alright, let's get started. Start by taking a bight of rope. The length of the bight determines the size of the loops. Next we form a loop. Now take the tip of the bight and feed it through the eye of the loop from below. Take the end of the bight and pull the left part of the knot through the loop as shown. Bring it all the way over to the top of the knot so it sits on the standing part. Next set and dress the knot. Hold one hand below the knot and pull on the loop as shown. If this was a little too quick, we do have some step-by-step pictures coming up next. Okay, now we show you step by step how to tie the bowline on a bight. First, you take a bight of rope. Next, you form a loop in the bight. Then take the tip of the bight and pull it through the eye of the loop from below. Take the end of the bight and pull the left part of the loop through as shown. Next, set and dress the knot. To tighten the knot, pull on the parts indicated by the arrows. That's all for the bowline on a bight. Make sure to tap that like button and subscribe to our channel to stay tuned for new content. For now, thanks for watching.